In 1979, researchers at Harvard Business School conducted a study with MBA graduates. They asked how many had written down their goals and a plan to achieve them. Only 3% had done it. 10 years later, that same 3% was earning, on average, 10 times more than the other 97% combined. What set them apart was not luck. It was clarity, direction, and a structured plan. That's the power of having a personal growth plan that actually works. So, if you've ever felt stuck, like you're moving but not progressing, it's likely because you're working hard without a roadmap. Let's break down exactly how you can design a personal growth plan that truly guides you toward the life you want. Step 1. Define what growth means for you. Growth looks different for everyone. For some, it's advancing in their career. For others, it's building better health, confidence, or relationships. The first step is defining what your growth means. Take 5 minutes today and ask yourself, what areas of my life feel unfulfilled? What kind of person do I want to be in the next 5 years? For example, someone in their 30s in the US might say, I want to pay off student loans, improve my fitness, and get into leadership at work. That's already a clear direction. Without this clarity, a growth plan is just a wish list. Step 2. Set specific and measurable goals. Dreaming big is great, but a plan without specifics won't take you far. Instead of saying, I want to get healthier, say, I will exercise for 30 minutes for days a week. Instead of, I want to save money, say, I will save $300 each month for the next year. Think of your goals like GPS coordinates. If you just say, drive west, you'll wander endlessly. But if you plug an exact address, you'll get there step by step. The same applies to your personal growth. Step 3. Break goals into actionable steps. Here's where most people fail. They set massive goals and get overwhelmed. The secret is to chunk goals into small, doable steps. Let's say your goal is to get promoted at work. Your action steps might be, take one online leadership course this month. Ask your manager for feedback in your next one-on-one. Volunteer to lead a small project by the end of the quarter. Each step builds momentum. Small wins lead to big results. Step 4. Create a system, not just motivation. Motivation is like coffee. It gives you a short boost, but it does not last. What really works is creating systems. For example, if you want to read more, set a rule. No scrolling on your phone until you've read 10 pages. If you want to exercise, schedule it in your calendar like a work meeting. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, puts it best. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Build habits and routines that make growth automatic. Step 5. Track and measure progress. A growth plan only works if you measure it. Imagine a business in the US, let's say Starbucks. They don't just say, we want to sell more coffee. They track daily sales, customer visits, and new product launches. Without measuring, they would not know what's working. For your growth, use simple tools. A journal where you write down weekly progress. A habit tracker app on your phone. A monthly reflection. What worked? What did not? Progress is not always huge. Sometimes it's the fact that you ate one healthy meal instead of skipping dinner for fast food. That's growth. Step 6. Build accountability. We're more likely to stay on track when someone else knows our goals. You can join a mastermind group, find a mentor, or simply tell a friend about your plan. For example, many people in the US join fitness communities like Orange Theory or CrossFit. Why? Because accountability keeps them consistent. If you skip a class, people notice. The same principle applies to your personal growth. Don't go it alone. Step 7. Be flexible and adjust. Here's a truth many people don't like to hear. Your first plan won't be perfect. Life throws curveballs. Your job may change. Your priorities may shift. And that's okay. Think of your personal growth plan like Google Maps. If you take a wrong turn, the app does not yell at you. It simply says recalculating. Do the same with your goals. If something is not working, adjust, don't quit. Step 8. Celebrate milestones. Personal growth can feel like a long road. That's why celebrating small wins matters. Finished a 30-day fitness challenge? Treat yourself to a nice dinner. Hit your savings goal? Take a weekend trip. Celebrations build positive reinforcement, making it more likely you'll continue the journey. Think of it as rewarding your brain for progress. Remember that Harvard study? The people who wrote down their goals and built a plan did not just hope for success, they designed it. You can do the same. Define what growth means for you. Set measurable goals, break them into steps, create systems, track progress, stay accountable, adjust when needed, and celebrate your wins. Because at the end of the day, a personal growth plan is not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming the best version of you.